Bollywood stars who are inspiration for many people, and on their step many youngsters follow, many youth follow. But the recent cases, what we are hearing about different actors, whether it's Deepika Padukone or whether it is regarding the drug mafia in Bollywood, everyone tried, and even the Maharashtra government has done what they can do to harm this particular actress by demolishing her building and the office and all, and where now Rhea Chakravarti is leading a person who is more shown as the one who was doing the peddler work and who was consuming drugs. So dear youth, don't get addicted for all these kind of people who are spoiling the life. There are many different jobs which are available to do, and you can make career in various jobs. Don't just believe that Bollywood is only the sector where you can bring them. Nowadays you are having various social media to express your performance. So till now these people were showing what we have seen on the screen was totally wrong. So let us wait and let us see that Sushant Singh will get justice, and whether it's not proved whether he was murdered or whether he had committed suicide. Sara Ali Khan, who was associated with Sushant Singh, and these are all surprising that so many people are involved with the case of Sushant Singh, and surprising that these actors who are so much addicted to drugs. So I am advising all the youth of the country that till now you were having inspiration that we have to follow the footsteps of film stars, whether it's male or female, but now this looking at this activity, we can very awkward to even speak about those stars, that these people are encouraging drugs to all the females, and they are making them to get addicted for this, and that they are doing business of that. The very famous Rakul Preet of South Indian film star is also involved in this activity. Very shameful that these people are earning money from us, and they are using that money for these type of activities and encouraging those upcoming stars to get addicted with these things and spoiling the lives. So all the youth, this is a lesson for all of us, that boycott those actors films which we are interested to watch till now, but no, we are not going to encourage those stars and show our respect to them. Deepika Padukone, we had very good image about her, and recently we heard that 3 names are involved, SRA. I don't know who are. I appreciate Arnab Goswami, who has first telecasted regarding Sushant Singh death very dearly, and definitely looking at the dearness of Arnab Goswami, there are many other channels who has come forwarded and who has expressed that it was Sushant Singh who was a brilliant star and who has done his best in Bollywood, and simultaneously here it is an appreciable job that Sushant Singh was such a great person who was having dreams to achieve something. You cannot simply blame a person that he was getting addicted for drugs. No, he was not addicted from drugs. We have seen the performance of his in various pictures. So we should fight for the justice of Sushant Singh. Parallelly, the youth who thinks that someone is making them to opt a wrong route or get addicted for this kind of drugs, don't spoil your life. Don't take this step of getting joined for addicting of this, and it will nothing but it gives you another chance to do one more mistake. So don't do mistake, don't get addicted, don't follow your film stars. They are just they are only real heroes. You should become real hero. If you want to become a real hero, you should do good things, you should follow good route. And now our country is unsafe in every corner, so try to protect the life of women, which is very important, and there are very good rules which we can make and make our country a better country. And no justice will be given to those actors who have spoiled the life of Sushant Singh and those who are involved in this dirty activity. I am requesting all the youth and TV channels to just show the reality about Sushant Singh, not to leave Sushant Singh case easily. He has done his best for the country, and parallelly he was an upcoming star, only son to his father, and though he came from a small place, but he was talented person. This talent was something which was ruined. The jealousy has developed in the minds of other actors, and they wanted to totally remove from this Bollywood. But I appreciate after leaving this world also, Sushant Singh has done his best by giving that these people are really making Bollywood a dirty place. And I appreciate Chief Minister of UP who has decided that there should be another Bollywood, there will be another film city in UP state. Till now it was Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad who was having this parade. Now we should welcome by heart the film city which is going to be developed in Uttar Pradesh. So till now the nepotism what we were observing in the Bollywood will be total removed, and youth should come forward for positive things. They are not going to get addicted for this dirty thing of getting under the world of this drugs and all, and no excuse for those people who are spoiling the youth. And surprising that these people are encouraging terrorism in our country also. It's very shocking to listen all these things, and to whom we think that they are real, they are the people who are giving entertainment. No, they are the people who are spoiling the lives of youth for their benefits. Okay, surprising and shocking. I wish all the students will show this video to others and they will follow good path. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.